My favorite camera for the car, I do love this brand a lot. I always get different products from them. And this camera is my favorite. I do love the quality of it a lot. I do love that it includes 64 GB card in a special case, which is very convenient. And the camera looks amazing. Material is great. It's very easy to attach it. I do love that the package has everything you need for the installation. I love the quality of the video. Night vision is amazing, and I do love the size of it a lot. I love the way it looks. It looks very stylish and beautiful in my car. There is a very nice instruction on how to use it. The installation process was so easy. I think it is a great present idea for your friends and family. I love the quality of the video, and there is a special information on the display about the time and the date, and it is very easy to control it. I love it a lot. There is a voice which tells you that the camera is on or off, different basic informations, and I do use it in my car every day. It is automatically on when I start my car, and I love how it automatically saves all the videos, and I can easily transfer it to my iPhone, and I downloaded a special app which works amazingly, and I just go inside of the app and just check all the videos, whatever it is, from my camera, which is very convenient.